श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्।
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः सुष्ठुवागंसस्तनूभिः व्यासेम देवहितं यदायुः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ स्वस्ति न इंद्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ शं नो मित्रः शरं वरुणः शं नो भवत्पर्यमा शं न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शं नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्मामवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अग्नेनय सुपधाराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देववयुनानि विद्वान् युयोध्यस्मग्मुहुराणमेनो भूयिष्ठां ते नम भुक्तिं विधेम। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
So we just try to make a short review of all the entire Mahanarayana Upanishad for your benefit, and we will know the scope of Mahanarayana Upanishad, and also we try to fix upon the first section of Mahanarayana Upanishad, which has been styled as the Ambhasya Pare in the Ramakrishna edition, because where is Narayana located, what is his greatness, in what way he is connected to all of us, and what is the benefit we are going to get when we are devotees of Narayana. All that has been summarily explained in the very opening section of the Mahanarayana Upanishad, styled as Ambhasya Pare. So this we try to review today, and also the last two sections of the Narayana Upanishad, so that we get complete, I think, comprehensive look about the Narayana status. Because I want Purushottam to think of presenting the Bhagavata Krishna as viewed in the Narayaniyam. And I will supply some more data necessary, because the Narayana Sabda and Mahanarayana Sabda, they are exclusively for Paramatma Vishnu. The very word Vishnu means he is all round, all pervasive, omniscient, omnipresent, and omnipotent. Therefore, in the first section, as we have already covered, we have come to know in the first few lines that Paramatma Narayana is live. He may not be visible to us, but he is visible to only great people, because Hruddeshe Aham Tishtami, or in the Narayana Sukta, also we have been told that he is there in the Hrudaya Guha of each and everybody. And every person is there in Narayana, and Narayana is staying in everybody. Therefore, there is no separation between the beings and the Narayana. That is the what impression that we have been given in this particular Upanishad. And in this Upanishad, Upanishad means it's a Rahasya Jnanam, Paramatma Jnanam, Adhyatmika, Adhaitika, Adidaiveta Jnanam, so that our complete personality is being totally represented in three aspects. So in the first section, Ambhasya pare bhuvanasya madhye nakasya prushthe mahato mahiyan शुक्रेण ज्योतिगुंषि समनुप्रविष्टः प्रजापतिश्चरति गर्भे अन्तः. See here, Shukrena Jyotigumshi Samanapravishtaha is the point, because Narayana did not remain independently himself, but he Jyotimshi Anupravishtaha. Narayana has joined all the bright stars, all bright luminary bodies in the cosmos, and he is one among them, and he is the monitor of them. And Antaha Garbhe Charati. And who is this? He is a Prajapati. He is the Lord of all Prajas. Ja or birth. And Praja means Praseshena Ja. That is noble birth. Noble birth in a sense, all human beings have got noble birth, because they have got the Purusharthas, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, and more so, Dharma is the one separating factor for humans, because Ahara, Nidra, Bhaya, Maithunancha, Samana Metat, Pasubhir Narana, Dharmohi Tesham, Adhiko Visesha, Dharmena Hina, Pasubhis Samana. So Pasus don't have Dharma, only humans have got Dharma. And therefore, he says Antaha Garbhe. And again, not only that Deva, Sarvam Yasmin Devaha Adhinishedu, Adhivisve Nishedu, Visve Devaha, all the gods have taken their refuge in Vishnu, Narayana, and therefore the gods are there with Narayana, and Narayana is with them. And this Narayana is Akshare Parame Vyoman Tadeva Bhutam Tadu Bhavyama. And this Narayana, what he has done is Enavrutam Kancha Divam Mahimcha Yena Adityaha Tapati Tejasa Brajasacha. So now we talk about the function or the job that Narayana does is, he has enveloped the entire sky, horizons, Kam, Akasham, Divam, the heaven, Mahim, the earth, and Lokas. So all the three Lokas, the Antariksha Loka, Akasha Loka, and Sarga Loka, whatever Lokas are there, and he has enveloped, and Aditya is there in all these Lokas, shining forth with Tejasa, Brajasacha. If sun is bright and showing light to all people, behind him is the Narayana. So, Yam Antaha Samudre Kavayo Vayanti Yadakshare Parame Prajaha. And so from him only all the attributions of the creation comes into being. And here you see Yata Prasutaha Jagata Prasuti Toyena Jivan Yasasarja Bhumyam. So this is again a Bhagavata concept later on, because after Pralaya, Narayana wanted to regenerate the entire creation back. So to say that whatever beings, as we understand from Bhagavatam, Narayaniyam, or anybody, that the Narayana is called as Damodara. That is, his stomach is the wonderful bhanda, whereinto the all creation would get into or seek shelter. And when once the pralaya process is over, they will all be sent out from his. That's why everything comes out of Narayana. So how did he send them out? See, first of all, Jagataha Prasuta, that is, the world has been created. World means people have got only to come and go. They cannot have permanent placement upon the earth. Whoever come must go. Whoever have gone must come back. That's why Janma and Gati. Gati is Maranam or Gamanam. So, and moreover, Prasuti, all people that are born is a Prasuti. Praseshena Suti means sacred beings. All people are sacred, but they have been projected or sent out Toyena Jivan with the help of the water. Toya is the water. So Jivan Vyasasarja, he dropped down. So through rain, all beings come out and all beings sustain and all beings merge. Rain means water. So people float in water, get out of the water and live with water, and again they get merged in water, as we are all seeing. See, after the body is burnt or buried, they take the bones and mix in the water only, nowhere else, even if that is their astikas. So that's why water has been the alpha and omega of everybody's life. So that has been pointed out scientifically here that Toyena Jivan, where Bhumyam, upon the earth, Vyasasarja, Vyasasarja means drop down. So all are the dropped beings. That's exactly what we call as delivery or labor or prasuti, etc. And Bhumyam, among these the various parts of the Bhumi, they're all there. And moreover, for the sake of the sustenance, Narayana has entered into Oshadhihi, Pashun, Bhutani, Characharani. He just entered into all of them. Yadoshadhivihi, Purushan, Pasumscha, Bhutani, Characharani, Vivesha. This talks about the creation. See, Narayana is the monitor. Anybody who wants to be a leader, he has to take everything on his head. Otherwise, nobody will be there. If you organize a function, you have to go and arrange the tablecloth, and put a vase, and invite all people. All that. That's exactly what is Narayana's job. So Narayana, having created all beings, he has entered himself into Oshadhis and Bhutani, and that too, what kind of Bhuta? Bhuta is the creation or existent bodies or existence. And Bhutas are Chara and Achara, mobile and immobile. For example, mountains are immobile, trees are immobile, and rivers are mobile, human beings and pashus are mobile. So these are only two kinds of creation or beings that exist upon the earth. So he is atah param na anyato, and there is nothing not even smaller than Paramatma size. And but he is avyaktam. He will not be legibly visible. Avyaktam. But Rupam, the form of Vishnu or Narayana, is Anantam. Yadekam avyaktam ananta Rupam. And Vishwam Puranam. He is a Vishwam, enveloped the whole thing. And he is a very old, you can't date him. Puranam means Puranavam. Anytime you put a date, he is fresh there. Even today, if you put 21st year and 18th November, he is live. Like that, Puranam. But where is he? He is the brightest star. Therefore, when Narayana is there, when Aditya is there is no place for darkness. So to say, it is a part of emancipation. Tamasa parastat. And that kind of Paramatma has been termed in different names. Tadeva, tam, tadevartam, tatu, satyam ahuhu, tadeva brahma, kavinam paramam. And so you trying to name that particular avyakta rupam into a vector rupam for convenience, and which is also very ancient form of Lord Narayana, and he is called Satyam. He is the truth. He is the very embodiment of truth. and he is the Deva, he is the Deva, he is bright, and Kavinam Paramam, he is really Srestha among all those Kavis, and he is Brahma. So Narayana Brahma, and a supreme force, a supreme form, and Kavinam meaning, I think so, highly wisdomful fellows. Kavis are wisdomful in the sense that Kranta Darsayaha Kavayaha. That's what is the simplest definition. Kranta Darsayaha means what is not beyond our normal physical eye or vision. They have got that perceiving, super perceiving power, and therefore they are all called as the Kavinam. Even Ganapati, for example, Kavim Kavinam, we describe Ganapati is a Brahma, Ganesha is a Brahma, and him, the highest compliment which you do Ganapati in the Atharva Sirsha Upanishad, the Rishis have given is, Ganaka Rishi gives that he is the Kavinam Kavihi, or Rigveda Rishis told it. Then, and not only that, what is he doing? Ishtapurtam bahudha jatam jayamanam vishwam vibharti bhuvanasya nabhihi. So he is the center of the universe. Bhuvanasya nabhihi. So because that means the nabhi is the most important part in our body, abdomen, because there will be the umbilical cord supplying food for the baby in the womb of the mother. So that is one opened, that only Nabhi is opened for the being in the mother's womb. And when once the completeness of the baby manufacturing is over, the moment the baby comes out, they cut out the umbilical cord, which means the navel is being closed down, that randhra is down. So that was the only one linking of supplying food for the beings. So Ishtapurta means whatever fulfillment of desires to be taken place, or whatever rights that are necessary to please the Paramatma and get the rewards of the work, all that is there. And Bahudha Jatam, variedly taking birth, and not only Jatam, Jayamanam Cha. So the creation does not end. It goes on and on. Generations together, the creation goes. That's why it's called Jayamanam. That is what is the nature of the Vishwam? The Jayamanam Vishwam Vibharti. Narayana is, I think, bearing the all responsibilities regarding the changes that has been taking place in the universe too. And he is the Bhuvanasya Nabhi. Bhuvana andre the lokas. Chaturdasha Bhuvanaha, as we are being told, that is, there are different regions. Earth is only one. That's why Bhuvanam. And Krishna, you remember, go to Krishna Devaraya, had one, his Ashtadikgajas found, that's what some Bhuvanam, they call it. Bhuvana
Vijayam. Bhuvana Vijayam ane oga contest untundi.
So he called it the Bhuvana Vijayam. That is, and he had Ashtadikgaja poets and other poets. So that is the concept there. Here also, but the Bhuvanam that Narayana talks about is simply immeasurable. You can't have any measure for that. And that particular thing, he becomes Tat Eva Agnihi, Vayuhu, Suryaha, Chandraha, and all these natural forces are divided into, and they are present. Agni, Vayu, Surya, Chandra, and all. And again, not only these forces are there, Shukram, Amrutam, Brahma, Apaha, ultimately Saha Prajapatihi. So these are all the identifications of Narayana, and they are all the administrative conveniences or forces which are there in the universe to be able to go through the Vyavahara and Vyapara of the universe. And after this kind of galaxy of gods and functions and administrators being created, then the time is also important. So Paramatma Narayana is also a timekeeper time generator, time maintainer. Yuga Krut, Yuganta Krut, Yugapat. See, in Vishnu Sahasranamam, you have got many compliments connected to Yuga. Yuga is the time. So Yuga Krut, Yuga Brut, Yugantakaha. You remember? So he is the Krutu, Brutu, and Antaka. He is the promoter, and he is the sustainer, and he is the annihilator. So he has all that about the time. And how is the time now? Nimeshaha and Kalaha, Muhurtaha, Kashtaha, Ahoratraha. And this kind of division of time is not only at one place, at all places. Kalaya tasmai namaha. Everybody is bound by time. The time is a scale. So the time schedule, I think, is not only in Bhulokam, even in other lokas and other beings, other lokas are also bound by the grip of the time. That's why Kala, Kala Agni Rudraya. We have got that Rudra is the Kala Agni Rudra, Kala Agni Rudra. And Sarvasaha. Not only that, still another set of divisions, Ardha Masaha, fortnights, Masaha, months, Ritavaha, seasons. So season ante we have got 2 months make a season, 60 days. So in our in Asian country, we have got 6 seasons, otherwise 4 seasons. So the 3 months making 1 season and 2 months making 1 season. Month means days. So 60 days and 90 days cover the Rutavaha. Then all the 6 Rutus put together will be a unit, that is what? Samvatsara. Kalpantam. So here is the unit of the ultimate unit of time. We always count the number of years with the years. And so at Narayana and Koshan, and in this, Natasya Ise Kaschana. Nobody is able to overpower, overlord Narayana. Ise means authority. Kaschana, there is no authority sitting above Vishnu, Narayana, because Tasya Nama Yashaha Mahato. Yashaha means Kirti. What is Kirti? That is able to spread any and everywhere. Everybody knows. Kirti Vantudu Annapudu, we remember that he is being remembered. For example, the president of the country, the prime minister of a country, well, he's well done. Everybody knows him, but he may not know everybody. That's also possible. That's why in Kalidasa, Raghuvamsa says, Apala Gopala Viditaha Raghuvu. ఎక్కడో పల్లెల్లో పనిచేసే పిల్లవాళ్ళకు కూడా గొల్ల వాళ్ళకు కూడా రఘు మహారాజు అంటే తెలుసు, కానీ ఆ గొల్ల పిల్లలు ఆ పల్లెల్లో ఉండేవాళ్ళు రఘు మహారాజు తెలియదు. సో దట్ ఈస్ ది కీర్తి. సో నారాయణ knows any and everybody knows about Narayana, but Narayana does not know us. Therefore we have to make our sound, our presence, prayers, that he will try to recognize us. That's why then Natasya Ise Kaschana Tasya Nama, and also na Sandruse Tishtati Rupamasya na Chachusha Pasyati Kaschidairam. What is this Narayana? Nobody can see with their chachu. That is Charma Chachu, with physical eye. Nobody will see the Narayana. They may see the idol of Narayana, but not Narayana. And again, and his rupam, his picture or figure or form is not at all available to anybody close by. But how do you catch him? Hruda manisha manasa bhikluptaha yenam viduhu. So anybody who are able to conceive the form and mahima of Paramatma through their heart, through their wisdom, through their mind, to them they are really great. And ultimately such great Dhimantas who they become amrutaha bhavanti. They get emancipation. So like that it goes on, and then again he talks about the Hiranyagarbha Suktam here, that there was a golden egg. That egg has come up, and that has become the cause, because the concept is that from the egg all creatures come up. That is, egg is the source from which the beings can rise up. So Adhyasambhutaha Hiranyagarbha. There are Ashtamantras in Hiranyagarbha Sukta of Rigveda, which we have noted, where Kasmai Devaya Havisha Vidhema. A question has been put to us that who is the God, put to God, who is the God to whom we have to make our prayers? Then the answer was Kasmai Devaya, that is Prajapataye Devaya Havisha Vidhema. He was the answer. And that Paramatma, who is the Sa Vijayamanaha, Sa Janishyamanaha, Pratyang Mukha Tishtati Vishwato Mukha. What is the nature of Narayana? He will be causing people to be born, and he will be available in various forums, in various types of people, and also making those people also give birth for their continuation of progeny, because Narayana cannot. So he will give enough Shakti to the created beings that they will become multiplied. That's why Janishyamanaha, and ultimately he will not remain visible to them, but he is all-round supervisor. And then is Chakshu, Mukha, Hasta, Pada, and all that is Vishwam, the entire universe itself. It becomes all its parts of the body. And he is one who has tried to club together the earth and heaven, so that heaven is the father, earth is the mother. So all people, when they are created upon the land, Jau, Akasha, doing the fatherly duty of protection by giving rain and so many other facilities. Therefore, Java Prithvi Janayan Devaha and Ekaha. There is only one God who is trying to link up and support all beings with his own power. So Java Prithvi Janayan and Ekaha Devaha. Don't think when we talk about Narayana to be multiple in forms of the presence and all that. No, there's only single God, bright God, who is becoming more and more. That's why in Vishnu Sahasranamam, you see that Eko Naekaha Stavakka Kim Yattat Padamanuttamam Lokabandhur Lokanatho Madhavo Madhusudanaha, like that it goes. So, so to say, whenever you talk of Narayana, there are so many things. Vishnu Sahasrama by Bhishma, he speaks about Narayana, and Bhagavatam, Narayana, and there are so many people who talk about the Narayana. Therefore, he is a Prajapati, and Vishwa Bhuvanani Vidwan. He knows any and every Bhuvanam, 14 Bhuvanas lo, ekkadakkada emavuthundi anta vigilance camera goes to Vishnu's Vaikuntham department. Vishnu has got vigilance camera. So ఆయనకి తెలియకుండా ఏది అవ్వదు, అయ్యేదంతా తెలిసి అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. ఏమోనమ్మా దేవుడు అలా పెట్టాడు, అలా అయింది అనుకుంటాము. కష్టం వచ్చినా సుఖం వచ్చినా కూడా we always compliment and attribute to Paramatma. That is our nature in our Hinduism. So Devaha Karo, that's why Kamah Karotina, you are going to get that idea also in the Narayana Upanishad. Kamah Karotina Ham Karomi Naham Karta, like that. Again, Manyuh Karoti Naham Karomi Manyuh Karta Naham Karta Eshate Manyo Manyave Swaha Namaskaram. Kamaya Swaha. So Kama and Manyu, these are the two important things which are originally the qualities of Narayana. Kama is the desire, and Manyu is the Shakti operative. So, very mere Sankalpa is no good. also action also is important. So Sankalpa Siddhi, if it were to happen, then there should be both. That's why in Vishnu Sahasranam we have got it idea, Siddhartha, Siddha Sankalpaha, Siddhidaha, and so on. Then and Ekanilam Bhavati Ishvam. So what about the placement of Narayana? So Ekanilam, there's only one residence to him. And in that residence only, everything is there. It's something like in Gayatri Avahana, we say, Devanam Dhamanamasi. You remember? Devanam Dhamanamasi, Vishwamasi Vishwayuhu, etc. We say. That is that Dhamanama. Nama is famous. Dhama is a place or house or quarters or a bungalow. So, but Pratadvo che amrutam no vidwan gandharvo namanihitam guhasu. So guhasu nihitam, and he is called also Gandharva. Gandham vahati yaha saha Gandharvaha. Gandha means the fragrance. Fragrance means life. So for all that, Narayana is there. And what is the most important feature which makes Narayana to be remembered apart from all other gods? If you put a question, then here we got Trini Padani Hita Guhasu Sano Bandhurjanita Savidhata Dhamani Veda Bhuvanani Viswa. So he has covered the entire or measured the entire universe with his three steps. Trini Pada. And then that Narayana, who is that mighty personality, he is our Bandhu, he is our creator, our generator, he is our Prajapati, or the Vidhata means whoever writes our Vidhi, calendar of life. ఎవరెవరు ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఎంతెంత పనులు చేయాలి అనేటువంటి క్యాలెండర్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ను ఎవరు రాస్తారంటే పరమాత్మ రాస్తాడు. What is the sheet of paper for him to write in the body is the Phalata Bhaga. The Lalata Bhaga is the white paper for him. Therefore, Brahma Bhartrahari says, Lalata Rikhita Rekha Parimarshtum Nasakyate. Those lines which are scribed by Brahma or Mahaprajapati, nobody can decipher, nobody can know it. So, but the script and content and the meaning is so secret that it keeps on unwounding as the age and time and all that will go for the beings. Therefore, it's called a Vidhata, Vidhi. Vidhi and a job. What is the job? For which job we are born? Something like Shankara telling in Bhajagovindam, he says, Kastvam, Koham, Kutayataha, Tadiham Chintaya Brataha. So on 21st, we have got Anjaneya Prasad to speak. So, Kastvam, who are you? And why, where from you have come? And why you have come? These are the three questions, answers we should be able to find out. And not only that, here into this, Devaha Amrutam Manashanaha Trutiye Dhamani Abhyerayanta. Devatalu Amrutanni Aharanga Tiskuntu. Amrutam Anashanaha means they are all eating. What is their food? Amruta is the food. What is their food? Ghee is their food. So Ghrutam vai aharam, Amrutam vai aharam devanam. I think so. So that they all gods take refuge and shelter and stay in the Paramatma Dhama, Narayana Dhama. And like that, we go on getting names and all that. And here, let's come to the last lines where we come to know about the Paramatma's greatness, that Paritya Lokan, Paritya Bhutani, Paritya Sarvaha Pradishaha Dishaha, Prajapatihi Pratamajaha. So Prajapati is the erstwhile born person. Even Prajapati also has got birth, that we should remember. So when Pralayam happened, Narayana was having Anantasayana, and from the Nabhi, a Kamala comes up, and upon the Kamala, Brahmadeva is brought back to life. That's what our Puranas give the concept. And we find he finds his father Brahma, I mean Vishnu, sleeping. So in order to make him wake up, he will do penance for 1,000 years. Like that, in Bhagavatam, we have got the process well described. So here, Prajapatihi Pratamajaha and Rutasya Atmana Atmanam api Sambhati. This is very important for us. Sara, Rutasya Atmana ante, what is the form or body that Prajapati has taken? Prati okkaru satyani commit chestuvari. Satyaniki bhinnanga unnappudu he will be suffering. See, because Rutam is the bungalow into which Paramatma entered. Satyavantulaku Satyaloka Prapti. Asatyavantulaku Rakshasaloka Prapti. Anetatuga ikkada Sushara. So he has a Rutasya Atmana his avasam babhuva. Who will, he is a self-generating person. Atmana Atmanam Abhisambhava means he only entered into his own self by his own self or his own self. Something like democracy definition. What is Prajaprabhutvam ante? For the people, by the people, and చెప్పుకుంటాం కదా democracy. అట్లా ఇక్కడ కూడా పరమాత్మ తన కోసమే తాను మళ్ళా పుట్టాడు. See, if at all the whole creation is going on, it is only the sport of Narayana. Leela kalpita brahmanda mandalaye namo namaha. And therefore, Akhila Andakoti Brahmanda Nayakasya antam. Manu Sankalpam temple lo nakranta ఈ పురోహితులు చెప్తూ ఉంటారు ఏమని అఖిల అండకోటి బ్రహ్మాండనాయకస్య శ్రీ వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామినః సంగీత ప్రియ సంగీతమధారయ అంటుంటారు. మస్ట్ హావ్ హర్డ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ టెంపుల్స్. సో that is the great extensive fame of that great gods. Therefore, here also the same, and Priyam and Abhisambhabhuva and Sadasaspatim Adbhutam Priyamindrasya Kamyam. So, ఈ పరమాత్మ నారాయణ ఎవరు అంటే ఇంద్రస్య ప్రియం, respected by Indra, the king of all gods. So, therefore, Indra Shabdam is used for even Narayana, and Narayana Shabdam even for Indra. So, Upanarayana, Upendra. So, Upa means also and Indra. So, like that, Priyam Indra and Indrasya Kamyam, loved and respected by Indra. And what we want is Medham Ayasisham. We want wisdom, intelligence, all to be given to us. Therefore, Medham Ayasisham. And now we go to ultimately who is Narayana. I think it is Agni. Agni is the energy. Agni is a thermal power, is a radiant energy. So ultimately everything merges into fire. That's why here Uddipya Swajata Vedaha. So now that Narayana becomes Jata Veda Agni, meaning he knows any and everything that has been brought into existence in the creation. So Jata Vedaha. And what does Jata Veda do for us? Mama Nirutim Apagnam. నేను చేసే పాపాలనంతా కట్ చేస్తూ నన్ను ప్యూరిఫై చేస్తూ నన్ను ఉద్ధారం చేయాలి. ఆ జన్మకృత పాపానాం ప్రాయశ్చిత్తం దినే దినే అంటాం కదా. ప్రదక్షిణ నమస్కారాన్ సమర్పయామి. ఈ పూజ లోపల వి మేక్ వన్ ప్రదక్షిణ. One pradakshina is otherwise called as Atma Pradakshina. The Paramatma who stays in us, he is being regarded when we make that pradakshina. So Atma Pradakshina Namaskaran Samarpayami antam gani ఇంకేమనో ఎటువంటి నమస్కారాలు వేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు అంటే ఆత్మ నాలో ఉన్న పరమాత్మ యొక్క దాన్ని నేను ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ పుటింగ్ అవుట్ సైడ్. బికాస్ మన ఎఫర్ట్ ఏమంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ఇన్సైడ్ we should bring outside, worship, and then derive benefit. Already in Mahanarana Upanishad, it is said, Ardram Jvalati Jyotihi Ahamasmi. Remember that.
Sure.
So, Ardram Jvalati Jyoti Ahamasmi Ahamevaham Mam Juhomi Swaha. Understand? So, Devudu అనేవాడు వేరేవాడు కాదు. నాలో ఉన్న జ్యోతి స్వరూపుడైనటువంటి జ్యోతి గుంషి అని వెరీ ఫస్ట్ లైన్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ వి హావ్ బీన్ టోల్డ్ దట్ నారాయణ జ్యోతి గుంషి సమను ప్రవిష్ట అన్నాడు కదా. ఎక్కడెక్కడ జ్యోతి ఉందో, ఎక్కడెక్కడ వెలుగు ఉందో, ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఋతం ఉందో, ఎక్కడెక్కడ సత్యం ఉందో అక్కడంతా నారాయణుడు ఉంటాడు. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ అపఘ్నం నిరుతిం మమ చూసారు ఎంత బాగుంది అంటే ఫలశ్రుతి. ది లాస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఇంతసేపు నారాయణ తలుచుకున్న తర్వాత వాట్ ఈస్ ది బెనిఫిట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిరైవ్. నాకేమి అని అనుకుంటే నాయన వీఆర్ మేకింగ్ ఎ ప్రేయర్ టు అగ్ని రూప విష్ణు దట్ wherever I have been committing negative, నివృత్తి మీన్స్ నెగటివిటీ, పాపములు, నేను చేసే పాపాలు దోషాలు అన్నిటిని కూడా ఉపఘ్నం, సైలెన్స్ దెమ్. So you please silence all of that. Keep me pure. Something like our blood being kept pure by our heart. మన హార్ట్ యొక్క పని ఏంటంటే బ్యాడ్ బ్లడ్ కలెక్ట్ చేసుకుని దాన్ని గుడ్ చేసి పంపించడమే. We have only 6 liters of blood in our body. 120 years we should go with it. We don't want extra. We should not lose blood nor receive blood. What blood we have, that is what is Paramatma. So అది ప్రవహిస్తూ ఉంటుంది ప్రెషర్. సో బీపీ అంటారు, ఎవ్రీబడి హ్యాస్ నాట్ బ్లడ్ ప్రెషర్. అది లిమిట్స్లో ఉందంటే ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉంటాం, కొంచెం ఇటు అటు అయిందంటే కష్టపడతాం. అట్లనే ఇక్కడ కూడా నిర్వృతిమ్మ అండ్ పశుగుంశ్చ మహ్యమావహ. See, when you make me live happily, you should give me more and more wealth. పశు is the wealth, riches. ఉద్యోగం చేయాలి, డబ్బులు రావాలి, పూజలు చేయాలి, మెయింటైన్ చేసుకోవాలి. కాబట్టి అండ్ పశు ఇది సంపద. ఎర్లియర్ డేస్ పశు వాజ్ ది ఎక్స్చేంజ్ స్టాండర్డ్. అండ్ మహ్యమావహ, not only give me wealth but also give me intelligence enough to expend that wealth which are given in a judicious manner, not at all trouble. డబ్బులు మిస్అప్రాప్రియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫండ్స్ చేస్తే కష్టం వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి see here is జీవనం చ దిశో దశ, దిశో దిశ. See జీవనం, I want whatever జీవనం, span of life that has been granted to us must be directed by you at all times. సర్వకాల సర్వావస్థలందు నీవు నన్ను కాపాడుతూ రావాలి. Because I may slip but you cannot wink. I may wink out of sleep but you cannot wink. So that is the order given to Narayana. And again, not only that much to your personal life, ma no himsihi. See, naha ma himsihi. Oh Jataveda Agni Narayana, don't please give trouble for our cattle. Gam, cattle, milk giving animals, milk animals antar. And Ashwam, the horses, the transportation animals, because we want food and transportation. Both are very important. So in olden days, transportation vehicle animals were the transportational use, as we know. ఇప్పుడు వేరే వచ్చినాయి, ఇప్పుడు మోటారైజ్డ్ అండ్ ఆల్ దట్. బట్ దెన్ గామ్, అశ్వం, తర్వాత పురుషం. పురుషం మీన్స్ సేవకులు, సైన్యము, జనులు, వీళ్ళందరూ పురుష సహాయంగా అందరినీ ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేసి ఆయన కొనగే కడాకు ఏం చేస్తుంటే అభిభ్రతు అగ్న ఆగహి శ్రియా. సో కీప్ బౌంటిఫుల్ వెల్త్ ఇన్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్ అండ్ కమ్ టు మై ప్లేస్. Agna, oh Agni, Agahi, please come. How should you come? Abhibhratu Sriya. Dandika double betkoni దగ్గర రా. నరిక్తహస్తః గచ్చేత్ ఆచార్యం గృహస్థనం అండ్ రోగిణం అంటారు. అంటే మనకు when we are visiting our guru or a rogi or a patient or a house where there are children, should not go with empty hands అంటారు, ఏదో ఒకటి పట్టుకొని పోవాలి. సో అట్లా ఇక్కడ come with wealth in your hand and having come to my house, ma paripataya. So please protect me, my family, my people. Paripataya, pari is upasarga in Sanskrit. Pataya means protect. Paripataya means give me all round protection, every nook and corner, in all directions, in all aspects. Kindly protect me. So I think it is high time for you. We can sit for another session.
Right. Right.
And then the other three, the last 2 sessions, we'll do it whenever you are ready to do it.
Oh, yes.
Tomorrow, if you are free, I'll ask Seshachalaya to complete this tomorrow session. Same time,
Okay.
9:15.
Tomorrow is fine.
So tomorrow, 9:15, complete the last 2 sections. So how do you find this kind of narration?
Great. This is wonderful. Nice.
When you are reading, you will get some kind of understanding, and your mind starts reflecting.
Correct. Right.
And the record kabatti man Seshachalaya will send it, put it in YouTube also. So this kind of comprehensive understanding will help us. The power of Narayana, the work of Narayana, the importance of Narayana. Ultimately, who is Narayana? He is fire.
Okay. Narayan is also sun. Somewhere you.
Narayana is also sun. So Aditya. He becomes a sun, and as sun, he is giving light and luster to all the worlds. But there is no exception. There is no very superior authority or guiding authority for Narayana. That's why Purandara Das ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನೋ ನಾರಾಯಣ ನಾನಲ್ಲವೋ ದರಿದ್ರ, ನೀನೇ ದರಿದ್ರ ನಾರಾಯಣ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ನಿನ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತೀಯ? If you get difficulty, to whom you can appeal? Nobody. But if I have got difficulty, I can look for your help. And ఆయన ఒక కీర్తన చేశాడు, చాలా బాగుంది. దరిద్ర నారాయణ అంటాడు కదా, నో అంటాడు కదా, నో నారాయణ నేనే దరిద్రను అంట. ఈ దాసులు ఎంత బాగా క్యాచ్ చేస్తారంటే దేవుళ్ళని కూడా చక్కగా తిప్పుతారు. బాగుంది. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ శేషాచలయ. We'll just say Om Sahana Bhavatu
Sahanau Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
So tomorrow at 9:15, Seshachalaya, this for you also. We'll just record, and this will be on set for your article.
Okay, that will be great. Sir, thank you.
దేనికి కూడా నారాయణ అనుగ్రహం ఉంటేనే ముహూర్తాలు కుదిరేది. థ్యాంక్స్ అండి.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఉంటాను.